So today we're in Volterra, and right now we're going to go check out some Roman ruins. We just saw it from outside the city, but right now we're going to go inside the city so we can get a good view. So this below us is the ancient Roman theater. It was built in the 1st century AD, and it became excavated it started to become discovered and excavated in the 1950s, because during the medieval ages it was used as a garbage dump. So now it's open to the public, but we can't exactly go inside. You can usually buy tickets, but it's closed.
Okay, so down below you can actually see the seating where the amphitheater was. So right there, those would be the seats. I'm guessing this was some sort of large building.
You can see the remains of the columns. So.
Yeah, you can see the columns here.
Volterra has a lot of Roman ancient sites, like many baths and forums.
And Volterra at one point part of the...
It was part of the Confederation of Etruscans.
Uh-huh.
There are like 12 cities that used to be occupied mainly by the Etruscans, and Volterra was one of them. And then it was conquered by, I believe, the Romans, and then occupied by the Franks and the Lombard people. And then eventually belonged to the Medici family and Tuscany, and then eventually in 1860 it became Volterra, part of the Kingdom of Italy.
Oh, okay. My teeth are cold.
How's the weather in this city?
It's so cold that my teeth are frozen. I cannot feel my teeth. That's how cold it is. It's March 1st, so it's still part of winter, but I can't feel my face.
The main piazza, or the city hall, is the Piazza dei Priori. Right here is the Palazzo. It's the public offices, city hall, and it's the oldest city hall place in Tuscany. So that's pretty interesting. Although the tower up here was reconstructed during the Middle Ages, and I think we can go inside, so we're gonna try.
Okay, so we bought our tickets and we are climbing. What is this?
It's the Palazzo dei Priori.
You can, what?
It's the tower of the Palazzo dei Priori.
Okay.
It's a palace, like a city hall.
I think in all of our videos we are climbing stairs.
Yeah. Whether it be a tower or a palace.
Oh. What's in here? Just go. All they can do is kick us out.
Yeah, true.
Oh, that's nice.
Yes.
So like a little church. So most of the towers that we've been in San Gimignano or Lucca, is mainly just a tower. But this one actually has rooms, and this is where the Prince of, I don't know, Florence sat?
Yeah, true.
Yeah, one of the Medici.
Yeah, I think Lorenzo the Magnificent.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. This is a Sicilian woman.
Sicilian woman. That's kind of an insult to Sicilians. Oh, it's nice. Wow. Who's this little guy?
It's a calf. It's called Vitellino.
Vitellino. Calf. Baby cow. So wow, yeah. So there's a church. There's, I don't know. What kind of looks like a church?
Look,
Inside the tower. And then a little war room, probably to plan the defense of the city. Some dragons. Game of Thrones style. Okay, let's continue up. Pretty.
Wow. Oh, I think this is what the tower palace used to look like.
So this is where we entered.
Yeah.
And probably like
Here.
somewhere in here.
Some old artifacts.
So one interesting thing about Italy is if you kind of go somewhere and you wander into a room that's not exactly open, you can find these cool things. You know, we're in a room where there's no lights or any directions. So I don't know if we're allowed to be in here, but we got some cool artwork and pictures of what the tower used to look like. Palazzo dei Priori. So some original like
Of the
layout of the
layout,
tower.
blueprint, somewhat. Wow.
What's in there?
Clock.
Maybe the Ark of the Covenant.
I think the bell's gonna
Can you
stop
go?
soon. Bell.
No, he said 30 minutes.
It said at the end of each hour. It's almost 12.
Don't worry about it. If you come in 5 minutes before the end,
No, it's not.
you don't get 5 minutes, you get the full half an hour. Okay, so we're climbing more stairs. Okay, so the last part is this tiny little thing.
Okay, so right now we're at the top of the bell tower. Right above us.
It's a hurricane force wind up here. It was already down there. Now it's basically a hurricane up here.
The Piazza di Santa Maria. That's
Piazza di Santa Maria.
Yeah.
Watch out for the car.
the cathedral is right here, and the baptistry is right across from it.
Oh, okay. Kind of like Pisa.
Yeah.
Wow.
I hope you enjoyed our day in Volterra, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Ciao!